Hey guys, these UK built Civics for the headlights, they're actually H7 in these Hondas. There's a clip for this on this side. So remove the fuse box cover and remove this piece here, this air snorkel. And there's a cover on the low beam and high beam. Now, the parking globe, you should do it at the same time if it's the first time you're doing it, is accessible through the high beam area, and the low beam globe is on the outside. The high beam rarely blows, so do the parking light if you need it. This one had one out, we're doing two. And the main thing to remember here is this thing needs to face up, and it's got the traditional clip like this which will unhook that way. I actually can't see what I'm really doing with it. See, I can't see the hook, but the hook will be up like that, and it swings over, so it'll hook over. So pull the hook left or right until it drops down. Unplug the wires first unless they're seized up. If the wires are overheated and seized up, Hondas are pretty good with it. You shouldn't have an issue, but if they are, you don't want to be pulling on the wire when the clip's in place, because you will break where the clip goes or detach it and then end up pulling the headlight out. And this side, there's a little bit more room. Oh, there's the clip there. Hang on, I can show it to you now. See the clip? See the clip? They're very fragile. Whoops. No, you can't see the clip. There it is there. So it goes up. So put the globe in with this facing up. Sorry guys. Put the globe in with this facing up. Put the clip on and then connect the wire later. So wire off, clip off, globe out, unless the wire is seized up. Then you want to separate it by hand. If it's on that side, just pull the battery out if you're going to have problems with the wiring, because the last thing you want to do is rip this clip out from its securing point. You can see how fragile these things are. There it is there. It almost looks like it is actually on an angle. So yeah, swing the clip left or right, whichever way to release. When you get to the clip, you should have the wire off unless it's seized up. Hope that helps. I'll show you where the parkers are. So you got to remove the high beam cover, and they're in there, and they can seize up too. On this car they won't. This car's in good order. They can be real hard to get out, but in this case, just take the cover off the high beam, which is a H7 as well, I think. Do the parking light while you're there. Hope that helps.